them people, 5 of them, so I want them feast and a little bit of them. 5 of them in the party. Me and my sister in the party first. The girl them come in at the party and them they way over one corner people are with it in the middle. You see when she come in at the middle there so in there with it stand out. This girl now they come at Dhqsher boy. Madhouse, we know so we are Madhouse, so we say so oh you gonna tell me something we tell on the idiot girl come with something else, so we say we are Madhouse. Ban Madhouse production.
And shit house.
Wait, the people the girl come now. Come over we there in the top. But Madhouse, Sakunuma. Them going in the bathroom and plan and come out back. Plan where they go to share she run out. One out. And then they tell them oh we are pre them all long and I listen to them. Share here body share a dance over there so she say over the corner can't hold her because we are dominating in the middle, you know. Share here body broker and run out in the middle people beside my sister now. Me I take my time and come round and go in front of the video, in front of 2 grand, cause me sight the prayer and I say, look here, me ready for anything. Me never touch this girl and no need for look and look good. Me I pass the girl gently and kindly, they pass the girl and the girl get up and push me. Look how long before me take for retaliate, for sure, me ain't want to war nobody. When me realize I push the girl, really push me now. Me and my sister first, not even me push the girl and me end up that's me and my sister push the girl at the same time. The girl that run up and I look for back, I don't know what she look for. Me jump and kick, my sister talk the girl in her face and me jump and kick the girl in her belly. The girl take up one piece of flimsy table where she feels. So anybody, if even a dog could have taken up the table and fling. The piece of light table and me duck the blood clot table and table roll over my back. That girl never lick me with no table because if you were lick me with blood clot table, me kill myself. Anyhow, when I make table lick me kill myself, me tell her that idiot girl. Renee 6:30, she turn over upon her back like when cockroach a kick, cause we tip off all parts of her. What talk about me run? Uno know tall up? Uno no know this a girl a good. Run forward. This a man blood clot body girl and this a wrestler. I want to talk about. Me need to come. Me don't want to talk about cause you don't know me. You don't need to hear about me. I know about blood clot me. Let me tell you, I'm not afraid of nobody. I Christy me blood clot name. Idiot. Get me take on the nation. Me take on the wall with 1 eye and 2 blood clot. Yeah, I'm not afraid of the idiot. Idiot girl. People need to know what go on. I don't feel low Spice alone. Dirty bad mind. Wicked girl. Uno too wicked and grateful. Look how Spice feeding her clothes and the nasty dirty thinking girl. Uno come and talk about no matter how Spice I give it clothes, they can't look good for me. She's supposed to give it them because guess how we boss. And she wear up for. And the promotion she's supposed to give it clothes and anything she give it. So don't vex and be jealous. Just leave us a few time now.
No, today in the one frownsy ties. Today in the frownsy ties with 2 strap knock off dirty blood clot. Girl, me talk up things them no. So me look quiet and full don't think me a idiot.
Like you
know run up in a blood clot conquering lion. You never hear about we. You know hear about we now.
No.
We good.
You never know we.
You never know we cute. We come
you never know we. You know we now. So all who not like this, come beat me, come back big and mighty. Well on, it's still back there ready for bend over so you come beat me like a kettle jump and you come jump cross. Me ready to do dog shit so you not like it.
Feel like
Bout to no ma.
Ready when you ready.
Ready, dirty girl.
No, labrat. A labrat, fake breast and fake bratty.
Bright.
Floxy. And money.
Yes.
And shit up all the Gigi flyer.
No, let me tell the truth because let me tell the truth because sure you go like you real. You ain't fucking real, nigga. You get a little money, your girlfriend, you gonna do your breast, your blood clot, batty girl. Up me band then wait, smelly finance something they give me nice 260 body. Oh you hurt so nobody make you bone no. Big nasty money dirty bullshit head. Hold on. 6:30.
I'm gonna fix up the center part.
And Dhqsher she when they come with Dhqsher your blood clot tough too. You say me you're tough and me running I see about my girl. I run me tough in the man. Dhqsher you were born that way. Your born blood clot tough. Me never born tough and me tell her that. I'm my tough and you tough, you know, I type me blood clot. I can't say me look good. I hurt her so me tell her no stop me toughness hurt you know. Please I'm beg you know. I fit me blood clot fit in a see kick where you get share and then nearly blood clot then. Oh your belly. Oh your belly. Oh your car sit. Can your car sit now do nothing for you. You know see your belly big and tough like turgid. And what do you? I want to do me ready for it anytime. People for no one now go on with. I'm in a business. Anybody who want bias me, don't talk when me fit talk. We're not too wicked enough to leave. We alone, maybe strive. Dirty people, low. We alone in Jesus' name.
We don't have no big gun.
No, we don't spot. Don't say queers. Go to the dancer queen. Don't add queers. Leave me alone. Mama strive. Don't add queers. People want to see them and if you call them. Don't add blood clot queers. When she go to school, she not going to class a corridor. She don't pay. You never read a caption. Them she can't blood clot. She can't read
them. Go so cock for lunch money.
Well, I know. If I'm not even that, you know. If you put up one picture and part on the breast and the body not out of the door, you feel blood clot. But how you feel? If you're not in it, me can't go bald head. Me not business who wants to me feel man. Me know me cute, me can't walk bald head. Sheriff you take off your head for your peen in the blood. Me don't know where you feel with a dry head. Your head side pick out and eat out. Me don't know who go with the head side, but tell her if you bring it back. And Nikisha, you will take and you take off your ear and put on bald head. Who tell her if you do it? Why you do it, Nikisha? Nikisha, why we been asking you? Why you do it? I come and put up why you do it. I will say why you do it, why your blood clot do it. Renee, you know you're confusing. Me don't know what to say about you, but boy, find something about yourself. Cause me right now, me don't know what to call you, you know. Cause you're a follower, a batty follower, a ginger fly, you know. Ginger fly, you name, you know. Because sure them are the little hog, and the ginger fly with the follow the hog them, you know. Cause you know no sense and no style. You know, see your friend them run left you eat that girl. Nikisha, where were you? Where were you when a friend them I get licky attack? But man, well, Nikisha, nobody never blood clot. Well, Nikisha, you ran. You had it both. And you run Nikisha. Breaks and face. We don't have to draw back. Billy, girl, you know, see me use me too turgid and I'm a big tough foot and kick you in your stomach. How you feel about that, the kick there? Tell me how you feel. I will run up and in a Renee 6:30, yeah, girl. No play with me here. Don't play with me. Outsider.